Hey, it's Bey, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Apple leather case for the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Is it worth the $50? Should you buy one or find a cheaper alternative that will possibly have more drop protection benefits? I'll leave a link in the description to this case if you're interested in purchasing it. Man, it's been a while since I've made one of these phone case reviews. If you have the midnight green iPhone 11 Pro, you gotta get the forest green leather case in my opinion. If you've owned an Apple leather case from a previous iPhone, then you don't really need to watch this review. It's pretty much the exact same thing but for the newest iPhone. If you're about to go watch another video, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell before you do, because I will be uploading more iPhone 11 Pro Max related videos in the near future. Anyways, back to the leather case. It comes in 6 different colors, but the one I have of course is the forest green version. It looks really good with the midnight green iPhone. Since this case is made by Apple, the fit is going to be perfect. I personally like the case because it adds a little bit of protection but doesn't add too much bulk. The inside of the case has a microfiber lining to help protect the phone. Of course, you have your cutouts for everything. The cutout on the bottom is the large version, which I don't really like, and I wish that they went for the 3 individual cutouts for the speakers, mic, and charging port instead of one big cutout. The mute switch is a little bit smaller than I would like, but I personally don't have problems accessing it. I know that people with larger hands or shorter fingernails might have some problems though. The buttons are made out of aluminum, which is cool. They are tactile and feel really good when you press on them. The razivity of the whole case is alright. There is just enough clearance so that the camera won't be touching a flat surface, and the front lip is raised just a little bit higher than my tempered glass screen protector. I absolutely love how this case feels in the hand. The leather is smooth, which makes it a little bit more slippery than usual for leather. There is an Apple logo that is debossed in the middle to let everyone know that you have an iPhone, if they couldn't already tell by the unique 3-camera design. Overall, this case is awesome and it's totally worth the money for me. It's a very nice case that will last for a really long time and will develop a nice patina over time. It feels great in the hands and doesn't add too much thickness while still giving you a little bit of protection. Unfortunately though, there is no strong leather smell when you take a sniff of the case. I highly recommend that you get yourself a tempered screen protector to go along with any case to protect your investment. I also highly recommend this case if you have an extra $50 to spend. As always, I'll be sure to leave a link in the description if you're interested in purchasing this case. That was my video of the Apple leather case for the iPhone 11 Pro Max. If you found this review helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell so you get a notification every time I upload. Also, visit my social media links in the description and follow me there. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace!